I'm so tired, but I'm excited.
I miss my train. I hate sleeping with other people. Oh, I'm so glad. It's my first time drinking matcha. How alive I feel right now. So excited to see the dinosaur. Welcome to London. Welcome to my... Yeah. I miss my train. I hope you can hear me because I don't have a microphone. I wasn't prepared enough because I thought that I would enjoy more rather than recording. The weather is really beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Also, I didn't catch my train because I was eating my sandwich. So I landed in Stansted Airport, which is not that big, but there were a lot of people from different nationalities. I was shaking coming to the airport in Spain. I always got anxious and think about what can go wrong, and I feel physically sick. But I'm okay. I'm so excited to be here. Okay, I checked in the hostel, and I'm a little bit lost mentally, not physically, because I don't know why, but I thought that people would be like more students on their first day of school, like more welcoming. I think about me is that I hate sleeping with other people, like literally I hate sleeping with other people besides my best friend and my sister. I can't sleep with other people, so today will be challenging. Like every time that I got invited in a sleepover, I hate it. I hate it. I'm near Tower Bridge. I'm so happy. I need to study the history of each monument because I want to know what I'm seeing. The weather is lovely, isn't it?
I think that day one can finish here. I don't know if hostels are my thing. We will find out tomorrow.
Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 in London. Regarding the hostel situation, I slept good. I felt a little bit uncomfortable because I didn't want to wake up the other girls, but it was fine. Today's plan, we are going to London Center, yeah, where is the all touristy stuff. And also today, very important stop that we will make is the Natural History Museum. I'm so excited to see a dinosaur. Also, you know that on these platforms I claim to know English. Funny story, yesterday I needed to check in my hostel and the receptionist started talking in the most British accent ever, and I was like, what? I came to Borough Market because I saw a video on Instagram that said there's a stand, gluten-free and vegan stand. Guess what? There's no one there. Maybe if I wait a little more, someone will come. I really want a cookie. Never mind, the guy told me that they were not opened yet. So the blue market didn't work, so I came to after school to buy my gluten-free and vegan cookie and the stuff. It's so lovely. And I bought a matcha. It's my first time drinking matcha. I'm so excited. Also, he asked for soy sauce instead of soy milk. So I'm drinking matcha. I like it. Okay, and then I picked the crumble cookie and apple crumble, something with apple. It looks, yeah, and I'm having cookies for lunch because I can, because I'm traveling alone. You can't even imagine how good this is. For all of this, I spent £10, which is okay because it's all gluten free and vegan. Yeah. Also, I went to Durante Books and I bought this book. Look at the cover, it's so pretty. This is Iranian also, so I'm so excited. I didn't understand what this book is about, but we will find out. In 2 hours I have the Natural History Museum. I'm so excited to see the dinosaur. I'm near Buckingham Palace right now and I'm on my way to go to first Piccadilly and then to the Natural History Museum. And these are the moments I live for. I can't explain how alive I feel right now. I'm so happy to be here.